Hi, and thanks so much for downloading your free copy of 20 Green Habits You Can Start Today. I can't wait for you to get started living greener every day. Before you go though, I wanted to let you know about one more simple step you can take to start helping your family live greener. Starting soon, I'll be hosting a free 3-day Learn to Live Greener workshop, quarantine edition, in a private Facebook group along with other busy moms. So we'll use my method of simply tweaking the way you normally do things to make them greener. And we're going to focus in on 3 things that I bet your family did a lot more of while spending time at home in quarantine. So I'm guessing you used a lot more paper towels and paper napkins. I'm guessing you cleaned and disinfected surfaces a lot more often, and that you cleaned out a few closets and drawers and ended up with boxes and bags of items to give away or get rid of. So during the workshop, we'll take a look at the simple changes you can make to those 3 routines to start doing them a little bit greener going forward. And I promise the changes will be easy to put in place. So I really hope to see you at the workshop. Just drop your name and email here to get all the details. Thank you.